Hi! Alright, so are you looking for a very simple way to make a tasty treat that is both satiating and savory, but will also give you lots of energy for the day? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how I make tahini sauce. And in the process of it, infuse more presence. Food is thy medicine, and what you put in the mouth is actually going to really nourish you and give you that energy for the rest of the day. So here's how to make it. You have to stir constantly so that the seeds don't burn, and you want to make sure they go nice golden brown. You want to put on medium low. I have a cast iron, so if it just runs hot, so I have to turn it off actually towards the end, because the way that it turns brown is very, very fast. It turns golden. And I have 3 cups in here. I bought these seeds over at H Mart because we love sesame seeds, and you can get it in bulk, or you can go to Indian store as well. They have it really cheap and in bulk. So you can see it's got a nice golden kind of. Okay, and then this is my old tahini jar where it ends up in. So I have already added some olive oil, so 6 tablespoons goes in here. I poured it out, it needs to cover the blade, and then, okay. And so after you put the oil in, covering the blade, then you can start to pour in this, and it's very hot, so you might want to let it cool for a little bit. So I'm going to let this cool, and then you would add it in, and then you blend it into your blender. You can get pre-blended sesame seeds, so you don't have to go through the process of potentially burning it. But this isn't going to be. This is probably 2 cups worth, so you can make a small batch of tahini depending on what you want. 3 cups of tahini will equal 1 of these mason jars, which I eat a lot with my raw apples, and so it goes fast. But it would last me a week or 2 if I'm doing a pretty big, sizable scoop every time to eat with apples. Otherwise, you can just, this is ready to go. You just pour this in with the oil and blend it, and you'd be good. Okay, so now you have your awesome sesame seeds, and you're going to put them in the Vitamix blender or a food processing blender. And I've put 6 tablespoons of oil, but what's tricky is you want to get, I'll put a little more. You're gonna have to pour, shake, and blend. Pour, shake, blend many times. Like this. Okay, so then you can add the rest. Et voila! So you can just pour it in, this wonderful texture. Enjoy! So I hope you enjoyed watching the tahini sauce become its magical mixture that is food for the soul. And again, it's the favorite treat that I love to make every single day. And I had learned this from my Vipassana meditation, and adds a little more oomph to my raw apples. That fiber really helps digest and make things really smooth. So I'll go ahead and put a link in the description below of other ways that you can get energy in very simple ways through movement, not just through food, in the 5-day energy challenge below. I hope you enjoy it.